I was at the largest car show in the state of New Jersey up in Mahwah, Dead Man's Curve, and I came across this Restoration Beverage for diabetics. And I tried the orange mango, very refreshing. I haven't tried the watermelon peach yet, and I haven't tried the fruit punch. Luckily for me, Rock gave me this beautiful carrier and some take home and try it at home. The Restoration Beverage. I do know I can go get this at ShopRite though. A little heavy to carry around a car show though, so we had to go throw it in my trunk. Thank you, Rez. And they liked the commercial I shot for them. I figured I'd goof around and have some fun. Very delicious. I can't wait to taste the other two.